Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check someone's likes on Instagram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So when you go to the top right in here with the heart sign or like sign, you'll be able to see your friends' likes in here. But today, 2025 August, you won't be able to see it. But you can spot one if it is in line with your account. For example, I have reposted a video right here and my friend Justin here liked my reposted reel. So I'll be given a notification that it happened. Okay, so there are actually more ways to find out, but there's no one-way trick that you could be able to see all of the friends' likes, okay, in a specific post or whatever. So for example, when you can see a post right here, you should be able to see your friends' names right here if they like the post itself. Okay, now when you go to the reel section right here, and go ahead over to friends or the friends tab, you'll be able to see all of your friends' likes in here. Okay, for example, my friend Justin right here liked this reel. My friend Agnes right here liked this video, and so on and so forth. Same goes to Explorer. Okay, but it's pretty hard in here. As you can see, when I tap on a picture, I can't see my friends right here, but yours may be different. You'll be able to see your friend's name right here. And that is it. That's how you check someone's likes on Instagram. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.